Congress leader Shashi Tharoor is being questioned currently about the alleged murder of his wife Sunanda Pushkar, who was found dead in a five-star hotel in Delhi a year ago. The questioning is currently taking place at a police station in South Delhi's Vasant Vihar. These are images you're seeing on your screen right now. Mr. Tharoor, who's being interrogated as a witness in the case, has been asked 50 questions by a team of 4 officers in the first of a likely 3 rounds of interrogation. Tanima Biswas is at the Vasant Vihar police station where this questioning is taking place. Tanima, how long is this likely to continue, and what exactly is Mr. Tharoor being quizzed about? We are told that you now have details about this.
That's right, Sarah. As you were mentioning, that at least what we have heard from our sources is that other people who have been questioned in this case previously to Mr. Tharoor have in fact been questioned for even up to 7 to 10 hours. And since Mr. Tharoor has been called right towards the end, after 2 weeks of this murder probe being conducted by the Special Investigation Team of Delhi Police, it is most likely that he will be at least questioned for 7 hours. As we have also been saying, that there are at least 50 questions that the police will be asking Mr. Tharoor, and some of the key questions, of course, related to January 17th, the day that Sunanda Pushkar was found dead. They will be trying to figure out the movements of Mr. Tharoor that day. It is known that he had gone to the AICC meet in Jaipur. How long did he spend over there? When did he decide to come back? Was there a call that had been given to him in the evening that made him rush back to Delhi, hearing about Sunanda Pushkar's health condition? If at all that was the sequence of events, he will have to verify that. And also certain questions will be asked about those 2-3 days leading up to the death. What we have seen in the SDM report, Mr. Tharoor had projected that he had a very happy marriage. But then there have been a series of questionings which have taken place of other key people, including his aides who were with them at the hotel on those few days leading up to her death. They have in fact constantly mentioned that there were fights between the couple over those 2-3 days. In fact, these fights had started at least a month back, and even those 2 days that they were at the hotel, the couple were fighting intermittently. So that will be something which has come across as a discrepancy from his statement to the SDM and follow-up statements which the police has taken from other people. So those are some of the questions which we have been reporting will be asked to Mr. Tharoor. Also questions about injuries which were found on Ms. Pushkar's body. Although the medical report rather has in fact said that most of these injuries were not contributing to her death, but one of the injuries has in fact been pointed out very specifically in that medical report, the latest one which was dated 29 December, about injury number 10, which is an injection mark on one of her hands. Where does that come from? And this is being seen as probably one of the key evidence, because the medical report also said that the death is due to poisoning, and most likely the poison could have entered her system either through the oral route or through an injection. So that mark, the puncture mark on her hand, is very key. So Mr. Tharoor will definitely be asked a question about that. Also, as I was mentioning, that there were certain discrepancies, or at least certain things which the police feel is very not in keeping with the statements which other people have given. For example, Mr. Tharoor has been maintaining right from the beginning that Ms. Sunanda Pushkar had a suspected case of lupus, whereas in the final report which had been given by the Kerala hospital, where Ms. Tharoor had been where Ms. Pushkar had in fact been taken just a few days before she had come back to Delhi, that medical report clearly stated that there was no case of lupus yet, though she had to come back for follow-up checkups. So why was Mr. Tharoor constantly maintaining that his wife had a suspected case of lupus? That is also another angle on which the questioning will be done. And the third, another very interesting angle, is the IPL angle. That is something which Sunanda Pushkar has in fact been associated with, and Ms. Pushkar and Mr. Tharoor had in fact both of them made headlines earlier before their marriage also about the sweat equities which had gone into the team, the Kochi team which she had stakes in. That is also something which will be talked about, which on the lines of which Mr. Tharoor will also be questioned. Because remember, just a few days leading up to her death, Sunanda had in fact been mentioning to some of her friends in phone conversations that if we can quote one of them, Ms. Nalini Singh, whose statement has also been recorded by the SDM, Sunanda had apparently told her that she had taken on the crimes of Mr. Tharoor and had in fact shared some of these details with Ms. Nalini Singh. although Ms. Nalini Singh has not been questioned by the Delhi police in this round after the murder case had been registered, but her statement is on record with the police. And whether or not there was any kind of association to IPL, that is something which the police are also going to probe. So very key to the fact that Mr. Tharoor has in fact been called right towards the end, after the list of people who had been present that day at the hotel as well as the hotel staff. These people have been questioned, and only after that has Mr. Shashi Tharoor been summoned by the Delhi police.